皆さん、こんにちは。I'm Eric. So today I'm going to present our ITRI DN training system to you. Basically, if you want to implement AI, you need cross-domain knowledge, including your business domain and AI domain knowledge. And so the AI environment, including hardware and system software, just leave them to us, okay, and our partners. Thank you. So we talk about AI everywhere. Different domains, healthcare, industry, energy. We talk about life because of deep learning technique. I think everyone knows life. So there are two parts. Just a quick brief. It's a training part. So we have given a data set, AI model, neural network. So we give a lot of data set we can train. Iterate feature to have a train model so that we can deploy the train model to the inference device to do the inferencing, like an application. And today in ITRI we focus on training part. So is an AI lifecycle part is you need a GPU server, a machine, workstation. Okay. So you need a data set, you need AI models, then deploy it on inference device. But it's not finished yet. You need to fine-tune it because that's called continuous learning, to fine-tune the model to have a higher accuracy regarding to your real world scenario. Okay. So for this part is training, inferencing, and continuous learning. And about the application part is the customer they care about. Is a computer vision, speech, audio, natural language. Basically, it's image, voice, text, and time-series data. So if you want to implement AI to be an application, you need to do a lot from end to end. You need to identify the benefit from implementing AI. You raw data to training data set, the feature format, and your AI model design, selection, and the parameter, we call hyperparameter tuning, setting, and the model evaluation. You're not finished yet. You have to repeat again and again. So it takes a long time to implement AI in your business domain. That's why we talk, if you want to have AI application, you have to take your time on your business domain knowledge and AI domain knowledge. And the AI environment, training environment, you don't need to worry about it. Please, we can help you. So what is the training environment? The hardware. And the hardware, first, server, workstation, PC, but there are various server configuration. Okay, 4 GPU, 8 GPU, 10 GPU, or JBOG, and different accelerators. If you choose a VIA GPU memories, they are Tesla for computing, CoreDraw, GeForce for gaming. But for Tesla, they are V100, T4, they are different usage. So many choice. And storage is a local disk, it's a centralized storage server. You have to think about it. And once you have hardware, you have to take care about software. NVIDIA ecosystem and deep learning libraries, framework, interface. Not everyone is like computer science guy. You need a WebTotal, easy to use management tool, and job scheduling because the GPU resource is expensive. So many people want to use it together at the same time. So you have to do the job scheduling, job management. And the customer actually take care about the performance per cost. Always want to have a cheaper cost to have a high performance. So you want to save time, save money to prepare the system. So, and then you have to know the deep learning knowledge in your business domain. Okay. So we address this problem. We provide hardware, software, and performance per cost. Basically, there are two P. One is effortless productivity, just a well-integrated hardware and the software, optimized for your workload. Okay. And it's easy of use management tool, simplified monitoring. And another P we call optimized performance. We want to use cost-effective hardware, but higher performance. That means better hardware utilization, or faster training time, or higher accuracy. Or our solution, a solution for your bottleneck during training. Okay. So what is it? We could be a training system. Okay. If you, when you talk about AI, it's the application part, but actually you need the environment. We do the red here. Okay, if you ask for GPU, you mean SI, they will provide you hardware, GPU server, and they even provide open source, TensorFlow, Keras, okay, on top of NVIDIA. But on top of this open source, we can provide more. That's the user they really need, because they don't need, they can DIY, okay, do it myself to install the open source, but they're not always right for them. So we want to do it for them as a user management, container management, data set management, train job management. We call this version like light version. If we use it for this, the similar product is DGS1, okay? Not just open source, but also the management tool. But the DGS1 is very basic. And then we also can provide more is like performance optimization, okay? So for this part, if we can provide a system, pure system software. But of course, we want to bundle with hardware, GPU server, because it's well integrated. Okay, we call the price, system software and hardware. But some customer, they don't even know how to start the AI implementation. So we can partner with a model trainer to provide a model, okay, application we call total solution for utilities domain. So basically, there are 4 segments in market. One, the customer knows know the benefit from AI, or doesn't know. Okay, when they have a resource, have team to drive or not. So first of all, if for this they don't know what can get from AI, they have interest. So we have to be a solution architect consultant. Okay, show them the successful case reference related to their business. Okay, so we can provide a trial POC. Oh, okay, so ITRI ICL has many technical team, including me. We can provide system. We also can provide the application part, model training. And then as a beginner, once they identify the goal, as a beginner, but it's really rookie. So we still have solution architect, but they can outsource us to do data set preparation and model training, and even integrate AI model engine to the application. Okay, so then the last is they already have go and they have a resource AI team. So, but they want to have a cost efficiency, so we can have optimize the hardware and software stack for their business. So that's what we mean call cost effective and qualified hardware, and easy to use management platform, and even to have a domain specific AI performance optimization. I talk about this. Okay, let's stop. Okay, for this customer, there's a business case right now. A customer, they already have DGS1, so they recognize the DGS1 value, but they want more. But they didn't know that if they buy DGS1, actually if they are buying a reading both, and software, actually they don't use it. Okay, it's too basic. They will use open source by themselves, but they want more. We can provide like super micro gigabytes, the same similar hardware reading, but we can provide a more complete or more flexible customized software for them. For this, only support NVIDIA Cafe, TensorFlow, GUI. It's like a wrapper, but we can provide more interface, more advanced data set management tool, and optimization. Okay. So like administrator management, data set management, hardware management, container management, different job management, and optimization. For the optimization, everyone wants faster. You don't need to wait for 2 weeks to know, okay, accuracy is low, let's do it again. And so there are many techniques to have faster. For example, like large bit size. If you use NVIDIA Cafe, use open source to do Resonate 50 like a benchmarking. Okay, we can reduce time from 1 unit to 0.65, but without accuracy loss. That's the most challenge part. and TensorFlow also can be faster. And another technique is once the customer have a Volta GPU, they want to use the TensorFlow, they need to implement what we call mixed precision. Just during the training, they can compute by using floating point 16 and floating point 32, but the user normally don't know how to use it. Even NVIDIA give them instruction. So we can do an automatic mixed precision for them to reduce time from 1 to 0 to 0.55. Then we call hyperparameter optimization because we want not just faster, we want high accuracy. The high accuracy actually is about the data set and the model, but another thing is hyperparameter. Before the training, we have to configure the hyperparameter to get a model with an accuracy value is low. How to configure it? Actually, the user doesn't know that. The range, how high, how low, they don't know. They go to give a try and error, or otherwise with Google to see what other guys do. So it takes time. So our system can automatically configure this algorithm optimization to have a configuration, a set of configuration to have a high accuracy. Okay. Then we talk about speed, accuracy. Then is a hardware part. It's about actually, if you talk about hardware, it's about data movement from storage to system memory to GPU memory and multiple GPU configuration. That's what embedding benefit. Another thing is the GPU memory size capacity. If you use 11080 Ti gaming card, it's 11 GB memory. You have to load model into the GPU memory and the batch of image training data set to an image. You want faster, you double it. So you will have out of memory error. What can you do when this situation happens? Just change car, GPU car. From this car to V100 is 10 times price. But we can do TensorFlow optimization, something like this, to reduce the GPU memory utilization from consumption from 14 GB to 5.62. But honestly, there's a limitation in this algorithm. Like for example, this 27 GB consumption, we can reduce to 11.16, but it's still out of memory, just 0.16. Okay, and because we focus on software, but we are still familiar with hardware part. Because it's in training environment, you want to have a well integrated, that means software and hardware. So we need to know what the whole hardware configuration good for deep learning. It's about data flow. Okay, each GPU have a model inside, and you load batch of training data set. But GPU 0 only learn the 10 image, or for example, okay, first 10, and GPU 1 learn the next 10 image, okay? But they have to communication, we call synchronization. So we want more GPU to parallel computing, okay? And so each two among 8 GPU have multiple GPU communication. So basically about data flow, so we have to take care about the PCI topology. And for this, before is we call butterfly. So if this GPU communicate to another cluster, there's a latency due to memory copy between the CPU. So since 2017, the end of 2017, there's a we call single root, PCI single root. Okay, we communicate up and down quickly. Another thing is GPU memory computing and what enterprise. Okay, you have to take care for your workload. And we actually have our data center. We have District 1, and we cooperate with many multiple server vendors together. So we know their server configuration design, and we know we can do the benchmarking for the training part, the end for them, so that we can know if the customer asks us, tell us your requirement, we can design, provide you optimize software and hardware optimize for your workload. Okay, this part is a beginner. they want model as well. So ICL in ITRI has many technical team. They build model, for example, is a license plate recognition. So like the user doesn't need to use command line, they use easy GUI, the pre-built model inside, they just click quickly, so the data set, so the pre-built model, so the GPU resource for the joint job, and configure already, just start the training, and okay, to see the monitoring accuracy. Okay, and this is about a model evaluation, not just high accuracy, they care about a false positive, false negative inside of this model. Okay, they need to know more. And then last one is they don't know how to have benefit of AI. So we also can, because of their high entry barrier, it's a benefit, they don't know that. They don't know the domain knowledge. They only know their domain knowledge. They don't know AI. Okay. The high cost is GPU server is expensive. So how to solve it? We can partner with a service provider, OSI, like a subscription model to minimize the barrier, give them a try, show them how to implement AI, what's the benefit from AI. Okay. So once they know, they can move to another segment. Okay, so that will provide. Okay, thank you everyone.